Actually, this is a very important meeting for all of us, people on the stage and down the stage. We are calling for education, health and justice. This is for me is a very important cause, and I like to be here as an Italian woman, as a mother, as a wife, almost wife, but first of all as a woman. We need to give a chance and a change also. The atmosphere was great. I was a little afraid because I'm the only singer that is performing in Italian. Actually, is not a language that here in the UK is very popular. So I was a little afraid, and I can say thank you very much to the audience because they really gave me goosebumps all the time. So thank you very much.
Tonight we are calling for education, health, and justice for every girl